Oh, shoot.
Hey guys, it's Tiff. What is freaking up, you guys? Today is moving day. Holy cow, the movers are about to be here in like 20 minutes. This place is a giant mess. I still need to pack a bunch of stuff. So if you guys don't like moving vlogs, you guys can get out of here. But if you guys are anything like me, you guys will probably love moving vlogs. I, for some reason, just love watching time lapses of people moving. So I want to show you guys the house because it looks like a giant mess and I still need to pack some more stuff. Overall, I'm so excited to be moving right now. I can't believe it's happening. I haven't told my neighbors that I'm moving yet, and they're just gonna see a moving truck here and they're probably gonna be so confused, but I'm gonna let them know in like the next few days. Let's go. We have boxes here, boxes there, boxes everywhere. We have clothing, boxes, boxes, boxes. Pretty much everything in the kitchen is good to go. Like, it looks like a mess, but we're gonna bring in all the little things. Since I only live about 10 minutes from here, we're gonna bring all this stuff separately because I don't have a box for them and I just feel like there's such random stuff. We have other rooms going on. We have this room mostly packed, not packed all the way, but it's like mostly done. Then we have the bathroom that we still need to do. Then we have this guy. The movers have wardrobe boxes, so I'm just gonna put all the clothes in the wardrobe boxes. And then this bedroom also needs to be done.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, it's been 2 full hours. We've been packing up this entire house. Just wanted to give you guys a little update. Currently, I have Zoe attached to my hip. Do you see this? I can't trust her. She's been trying to bite everything that has wheels on it. So she's attached to me. This is my bedroom. I don't know if you guys remember my bedroom. This is kind of what it looks like now. Completely empty minus a plant. And then my closet room is also empty. This is crazy. Then we have the hoarding room. No longer a hoarding room. It's clean. And then we have the only room that's actually really messy, the kitchen. As you guys can tell, they're moving the washer and dryer right now. But the dining room is clean. The living room is clean. And then this closet is also cleaned out. So pretty much everything is cleaned out, which is amazing. Hey, so this is kind of what all my stuff looks like inside the moving van. Holy cow, this is crazy. How do I have so much stuff? What is this? Oh, there's more stuff on this side. Oh my god, how do I have so much stuff? Wow, I'm shook. I'm so shook. There's so much stuff. I can finally show you guys the outside of my house. It's so cute. Look at this house. It's so pretty. This is the state. Ooh, can't go that way. I think I'm gonna take this wreath another day and not now, but it's so pretty on my front door. Oh my god, the office is empty. Woo! That's crazy. It's crazy because I actually put these floors in myself and I changed the garage doors too. Like, this office looks so cool and I added a light fixture and everything. I'm gonna let the landlord who owns this house keep it because I just think it's really nice. We actually became friends. He's a really cool guy.
A little later.
I'm currently at the house right now. The movers just got here. I have a battle wound. Do you guys want to see it? It is this scratch right here. An American flag scratched me. Okay, America. Thanks for that. So the movers are pretty much gonna be moving everything. I'm gonna try to unpack as much as I can today. But today I'm also going to see Mia and Lauren at Mia's house. Like, everyone's gonna be there. I think Jeremy, Matt, and then like Sarah and Kane are also gonna be there. I'm actually wearing yesterday's makeup, so I'm looking not cute at all. But yeah, that's really bad. I need to wash my face more often. I go in waves of like washing my face and then not washing my face and then washing my face. And right now I'm in the habit of not washing my face. Honestly, doesn't my makeup look really good right now for it being like a full 24 hours since it's been on? What? So Matt actually brought in some of his stuff already. He has his shoes lined up. I don't know why everything is on the floor. And then, hi, the dining room is that one. The middle one. This rug's going in. Wow, this rug is so dirty, but it looks so good here. They already have some of this stuff in the office that's going on right here. So we're gonna put 2 desks here. my dresses fit. I have so much space for dresses. Look, I'm so glad I'm recondoed my house before I move. AKA just my closet. That looks so nice. Oh my god, it's massive. Office is looking so nice. So we're gonna have everything move a little bit that way that he's doing right now. Wow, look at you, Alex. And then so that way all these bookcases right here can fit along this wall, maybe a tiny bit more.
Yeah, because somebody needs.
Oh my god, this is so cool. You can live in here. Holy cow. Wow. So we filled the garage with a bunch of stuff that I don't need right now, and I'm trying to figure out if I should like sell them or what I should do with them. If anyone needs them, hit me up. The movers just left. There's a lot to do, but I am gonna eat my McDonald's because I just got myself a McDouble with some fries. Guess who's here? How do you like the new house?
Beautiful.
It looks so good. I took a nice little 2-hour nap. I feel so tired.
So Tiffany wasn't responding to my text messages, and I look in the window and I just peep in, and she is just passed out sitting on the wrong side of the couch.
I was so dead. We got a house. We got a house.
I need to
We
shave.
got a house. I got a house. We got a house. I love this jungle that we have going on right here. We're back at the house. We're trying to get Zoe right now, grab a couple of things. It's so weird here. So this is all the stuff that I didn't take with me, so we're gonna take that.
Quite a bit of things.
Quite a bit. Where's Marzo Bear? Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. Hi.
Oh.
Did you sleep? Let's go potty. Zoe, it's our last time at the house. Go potty. Come on, go potty. She does not want to listen. Goodbye, house. Oh my god, this is crazy. House is completely empty. Wow, I'm gonna miss this house so much. I didn't think I was gonna miss this house so much. Whee.
48 hours later.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm talking to you guys from the future. Hello, it's future Tiffany. Future Tiffany is stressed out because I've only been inside my house for less than 24 hours. And already, wow. Already something is wrong with my house. The movers actually came, they ran over my sprinkler. So my sprinkler was ruined, so I had to hire a handyman to come in and fix the sprinkler. And I actually wasn't home, so he called me. He was like, hey, which sprinkler is it? Because 3 of your sprinklers in the front are broken. And I was like, wait, what are you talking about? Because the sprinkler that's broken is the one in the backyard. And he was like, there's a bunch of sprinklers also broken in the front. So I had to fix that as well. And I spent $500 to fix that because a lot of things are broken with the irrigation system. So whoever did the irrigation before did not do a very good job, supposedly. I don't know what happened. Maybe like people messed it up. I don't really know. But it was actually spewing water to the front of the house. And it was spewing water into the street, which is really bad. I don't want to be wasting water. Like all my neighbors are gonna know me as like the girl who's like wasting a bunch of water. So I had to get that fixed. It's still being fixed. They fixed it yesterday, but it's still not fixed yet because the sprinklers went off last night and still my entire sidewalk was flooded. So we need to get that figured out. But for now, we are gonna unpack one thing at a time.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Apaga.
Oh shoot.
No, apágala, apágala. Tú no. Apaga, enciéndala, apágala. Le dice, esta poner esta marca.
Jesus.
He is only
Yeah.
Now.
So they put a circle instead of like an angle,
They
and
put
then
a
that's a circle too.
Yeah. Okay, what it has to do, you cannot turn it on because you're gonna get a lot of water in your wood floors. They're gonna destroy everything.
That makes sense because this before was destroyed and I think this is all new, like the wood over here. All right guys, it's been a few days now, but I just wanted to update you guys that everything is okay with the sprinkler system. It was super annoying, but I ended up spending an extra $300 to fix it, so I just spent $800 on sprinklers. I'm really mad about that, but that's kind of what happens when you buy a house. Things unexpectedly happen and you need to fix them and it costs money to fix them. So now I am eating my ramen for the next few weeks so that I can afford to fix everything else I need to fix with this house. I'm still moving in, so expect more unpacking vlogs, moving vlogs. So if you guys like moving vlogs and everything, give me a huge thumbs up. Also, if you guys made it to the end of the video right now, I want to know, comment down below your favorite flower. My favorite flowers are lilies and orchids, so comment that down below if you guys made it to the end. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at MissTiffanyMa. But I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.